Hey there, runners, hikers, and van lifers. I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate on a downloaded map from Alltrails so you never get lost again. If you've ever been on a hiking trail and lost your way or had your phone die when you needed your map the most, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to walk you through how to properly use Alltrails' navigation feature step by step. This is the navigation feature on Alltrails, and I've come out here to Pleasant Ridge County Park to show you how it works in real life. So to use this feature, you're going to need to have an Alltrails Plus membership, and you're going to need to download the map to your phone, unless you're on a trail with reliable cell service. But if you've spent any time out in the woods, you know that signal can be spotty at best or completely non-existent. That's why I highly recommend upgrading to Alltrails Plus so you're not dependent on cell phone signal when you need your map the most. Now, real quick, Pleasant Ridge and the JFA trail is a shared trail with mountain bikers. The hiking and mountain bike directions are opposite, so they alternate each month so that you can check this arrow sign right there, or the trailhead sign. Let me show you that right up here so you know which direction. It's going to be right here, so it tells you odd month or even month, clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on if you're hiking or mountain biking. So now you know which direction you should go for foot traffic or two-wheel traffic. So after you've picked out your trail, the first step is to download the map to your phone. This is going to allow your phone to overlay your position, your GPS position, onto the downloaded map, even without cell service. If you create a custom map, the same applies. Now, this is a paid feature, but it's one of the things that makes Alltrails Plus an amazing tool for hikers and runners. Once you got the map downloaded, you'll navigate to the trailhead. For today's example, I've already downloaded this trail map, and now I'm at the starting point. Before we start hiking, here's one crucial tip. Put your phone in airplane mode. This will keep your battery from dying when you're out of cell range, so GPS will still work fine even when you're in airplane mode, so you won't lose your ability to navigate. I'll be screen recording what's on my phone so that you can follow along as I hike. For those unfamiliar, Pleasant Ridge JFA Trail is a 5.2 mile loop with rolling hills and great scenery. Now, what about people that say they've gotten lost using Alltrails? Now, one of the reasons I wanted to make this video is because sometimes I hear people say that they've gotten lost. Oh, I got lost using Alltrails, couldn't find my way back. But from my experience, that has never happened as long as I use the app the right way. I've never had my GPS fail when following these steps I'm going to show you today. Most of the time, people who get lost aren't downloading the map to their phone first, and they're relying on cell phone signal. And then when they lose signal, they lose their ability to navigate. This is why I always download my maps ahead of time. Even when I think I'm going to have plenty of cell service when I get there, you can also do this with Google Maps. And I have another video showing just how to do that, and I'll drop a link at the top of the screen for that tutorial. All right, let's get started. So first I'm going to open Alltrails. I'm going to go into Saved Maps, and then I'm going to select the trail I downloaded. Once the map loads, I'm going to click Navigate to start tracking my location. Now, I double check that my phone is in airplane mode to save the battery. Now, let's start walking. As I move along the trail, you're going to see my little blue dot follow my position on the route. As long as I stay on the trail, it stays right on track. Okay, so like I said, here we are. I have Pleasant Ridge JFA trail pulled up, and you're going to see down here at the bottom, you'll see my blue dot. And I'm screen recording, making sure I'm recording it for you guys. If I hit start, you're going to see my little arrow. Okay, so if you see the start and finish line. So if you see right here, I'm going to walk to where it shows the start. If you can see behind me on my little map, you can see there's a little blue line that's following me the whole time. So now, watch. Now on purpose, I'm going to go off trail. So we're going to walk over here like we're smoking crack and we don't know where the heck we're at. And you're going to see what happens, hopefully in real time, when we go off trail. So this, let me make sure that I have put us on airplane mode, and you'll see that it still keeps working even outside of cell phone range. So we're going to keep walking in the wrong direction. So as you can see, we're clearly forcing it to go the wrong way. It still shows us where we are, even though we're going the wrong direction. And so really all we'd have to do, okay, so you see this right here? It says, looks like you've taken a detour from your planned route and you're smoking crack. So now, it asks us if we took a wrong turn. We can close that out. We can say clear it once, or basically ignore it, or clear for the whole activity. So if we want to just continue walking in this direction, we can just ignore that the whole time. But if we say clear once, now watch my arrow turning around, and I can walk. Now remember, we don't have any internet signal because we're on airplane mode. So now you can see I can very easily follow my same path back to where the trail is. So airplane mode basically cuts off everything: Wi-Fi, internet, it cuts off cell data signal, everything all at one time. And now we are, if you see where we're at, we can go right here and follow it directly on the same exact line. Or if we need to, let's say we can't get back that way, we can take a different route and still get back to the same trail that we came off of. So here we are. I'm getting back to the same place that we started. Like I said, no internet needed. Okay, so that right there shows you exactly how to A, navigate once you're on trail, and B, how to navigate back if you get lost, say you get off track. And as long as you have this downloaded map in your phone, you can pull it up. Let's say you are on a multi-day hike and you've slept overnight, you've camped in one spot, and you just need to start all over again or start from where you finished. It's very easy because now you can pull up this map and continue on and know that you're still on the trail. So I'm going to hit pause right now so that we can continue with the video. Now, this is a very fantastic feature to help prevent you from getting lost. I also like to check my map anytime I come to an unmarked intersection or when I want to see how much distance I have left. With Alltrails, you can also download your maps onto a Garmin device, like a watch or an InReach Mini. That's another thing I love. you can even navigate directly from your Apple Watch. So you don't have to keep pulling your phone out every single time. And one more advantage of using the route navigation feature is that you can see where the water sources are along the trail. Now, bear in mind, just because a map shows that there's a creek or river does not guarantee that there's actually water there, but it helps you plan ahead. If you need to refill your water, you can carry a water filter and get fresh water from any stream along the way. I'm going to drop a link down below to the water filter system that I use. Collapses down to almost nothing and it's super lightweight. So if you need to get one, now's your chance to get one. That's some perfect camouflage on this little guy right here. Look at him. You aren't thinking of clicking away, are you? So here's another extremely valuable reason to use Alltrails and be navigating on trail. And that is, I can't even tell you, can't even count how many times that I've been able to help people that were lost. So obviously they weren't using navigation, they didn't have a map with them, and they didn't have a clue where the heck they were going. And a lot of times when they see that you are clearly comfortable being out here, they will ask you, hey, which way do I go? Which way to the parking lot? Which way is there water? And you will be a trail boss if you just pull out your phone and say, hey, you're standing right here, you need to go that way. That way is the easier way to go, or that way is the harder way to go. Water is just around the corner. So that's, for me, proven to be a very, very handy reason to have Alltrails running on your phone in the background. This just in from your on-trail correspondent. We have not reached the end of the video, so continue on. So now you know how to download maps directly to your phone, conserve your battery life, and while you're out here hiking, navigate accurately, even off trail, and this completely eliminates the risk of getting lost when used correctly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment letting me know what you liked about today's video. I'm going to put two videos up here to your right. And these are going to have more trail tested tips to help you save time, frustration, and money while exploring the outdoors.
Got one more back.
Yes, sir. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.